Can gut problems cause anxiety, brain fog? You feel bloated, your stomach feels uncomfortable, your sleep is poor, your mind feels foggy, feeling anxious for no reason, you can't concentrate properly, you feel mentally exhausted. Many people think it is just stress. What if I told you this might all be related to your gut? And this is where it gets interesting because modern science is now discovering something extraordinary between our brain and how our gut is deeply connected. In this video, I will tell you exact reasons for why you're feeling tired, not able to concentrate, losing your memory, and troubled with this brain fog. Our digestive system influences mood, stress levels, sleep, our energy levels, how clearly we can think, our mental clarity, and even anxiety, depression. All these are very connected. As gastroenterologists, we are seeing increasingly younger people with various digestive symptoms related to their mental health. So this is so deeply connected. This is where we need to understand the connection between what's happening between our gut as well as the brain. Our gut is more powerful than actually many people think. Most people think stomach is there just for digesting the food, but it is much more complex because our digestive system, our gut, it has got millions of nerve cells. So this is why gut is called as the second brain. So there is a direct communication between gut, brain, immune system, hormones, and our gut bacteria. This whole system is called the brain-gut axis, and communications goes both ways, which means the problems in your stomach, in your gut, can affect your brain, or problems in your brain can affect your gut. So why stress starts to affect our stomach? We'll just take a simple example. Most people have been through some kind of a stressful situation, exam, interview, or some stressful event. Many people start to feel some kind of a queasy feeling in the stomach, that churning feeling. You don't really want to eat breakfast that morning because you already start to feel nauseous. They feel that they're going to just to throw up, vomit. They just feel somewhat uneasy. They might end up going to the toilet 2 or 3 times to use the washroom. That's because they feel they haven't emptied properly. They might feel acidity. So all this is happening because the stress hormones are directly affecting the digestion. So the changes in the brain, that moment, it starts to affect the gut movement. So this is causing increased in the acid production in the stomach. The gut becomes sensitive. Intestines start to move in a very uncoordinated manner, which is why stress, anxiety, emotions can all worsen our symptoms. If you already have acidity, bloating, IBS, abdominal pain, unhealthy gut equally can also affect your mental health. So it's not always just in your head. Sometimes there are real issues in the gut that can cause mental fatigue, anxiety, depression, increased stress levels. In our intestines, trillions of bacteria, the gut microbiome, they're not harmful automatically. Most of these are extremely important for our health because they affect how our digestion, immune system, and also these brain signaling pathways work. There is various non-medical people in the social media exaggerating this gut microbiome science and selling all kinds of tests, allergy tests, gut microbe tests, saying that we will find out what bacteria is missing, we will find the root cause, what you can eat, what you can't, and sell all kinds of products in their brand names. They promise all these miracle cures, which of course doesn't happen. So let us be scientific about the gut microbiome. Having random online probiotic supplements is not going to be the magic solution for your health issues. Poor diet, unhealthy lifestyle can influence the gut bacteria much more negatively, and this may have an indirect effect on your overall well-being. Why so many young Indians are suffering with this anxiety, bloating? Because of the modern lifestyle. It's a perfect storm for the brain gut problems, especially in cities like Bangalore, where I see so many startups, so many IT professionals, long working hours, late night eating, a lot of Swiggy, Zomato, food delivery cultures, sleep is not right, excess of caffeine, cigarettes, high level of stress, lot of weekend alcohol binges, minimal exercise, plenty of ultra processed foods. So this is all like a perfect recipe for disasters in the digestive system as well as the brain. So the mental well-being gets affected. So many young professionals are living in this constant cycle of not getting proper sleep. There is this brain fog. They're not able to focus. They have unrealistic targets. All of this is wrecking their digestive health. Over time, this starts to become chronic. One of the best examples of this brain-gut connection is the IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. People with IBS, they don't have disease in their gut, but they have a lot of gut symptoms. So they experience significant bloating, gas, constipation. Some people get diarrhea, some people get abdominal pain. Many struggle with anxiety, poor sleep, this mental fatigue and stress. It seriously affects their quality of life. Why? Because the gut has become incredibly sensitive. So stress starts to worsen the gut symptoms. Ongoing gut symptoms, of course, increases the emotional distress. So it's like a vicious cycle. Brain is affecting the gut and the gut is starting to affect the brain. So they really need to come out of this cycle, and it is important to get them out of this loop. Can gut problems really cause brain fog? Brain fog is one of the common complaints nowadays we are coming across in younger people in gastroenterology practices. What is brain fog? Many people describe that they are not able to focus on their work properly. They feel mentally exhausted, tired, they seem to forget things. They are finding it difficult to concentrate, to get through their day-to-day tasks. They feel their brain has slowed down. Brain fog can be for a variety of reasons. If you, of course, don't sleep very well repeatedly, you have mental fatigue. Stress can affect. You might have genuinely vitamin deficiencies. Your diet itself might not be healthy, not eating adequate amount of veg, fruit, not enough water. There might be hormonal issues, habits like smoking, alcohol regularly, and unfortunately some people do have chronic illnesses that might require to be sorted. Poor gut health, of course, contributes to nutritional deficiencies, inflammation in the body, sleep deprivation, and also these unhealthy eating patterns. So our whole body functions as one connected system. So when digestion suffers badly, your overall body, overall health also suffers. Social media unfortunately makes things worse for many people because there is a lot of misinformation. People are being told every symptom, whatever they have, it is to do with their bad gut health. So do this kind of fancy allergy testing, this fancy gut microbe testing. We will give you customized probiotics, expensive products. None of these are going to solve their real issues. Every bloating problem is linked to microbial damage, creates fear, confusion, so all from this social media. Truth is not that every anxiety symptoms comes from the gut, not every digestive symptom is psychological. So don't blame everything on the stress. If you have persistent symptoms, you should of course seek an opinion from a medical gastroenterologist, because sometimes serious digestive diseases can also appear vague, and sometimes people get dismissed that saying that this is all in your head, it's psychological. How to improve the gut and the mental health together? Simple science-based lifestyle habits, having a diet that has got a good amount of fiber. Take at least 3 kind of different fruits every day, good amount of vegetables, so you get a whole different kind of minerals, vitamins. Sleep properly. Many young people are not getting the right sleep, so good 7 hours. If you get an extra hour, sleep 8 hours. At least half an hour of some kind of a cardio, regular exercise. Cut out junk and ultra processed food as much as possible. If you do drink alcohol, keep it to occasions. It's important to quit smoking because this is a risk factor for various problems, including cancers. Manage your stress levels, have realistic targets. Most importantly, eat meals on time and avoid blindly following these health trends, whatever is coming through these WhatsApp forwards and social media, because small, simple daily habits really matter rather than buying some expensive miracle online supplements. Next time you experience anxiety, brain fog, poor concentration, stress, or digestive discomfort, remember your gut, your brain is deeply connected. Your body is not functioning in isolated parts, it functions as one single unit. If you found this video useful, please share it with someone and do subscribe to Bangalore Gastro Center Hospital's channel for more science-based digestive health videos. Thank you.